And I like to say, the Home Minister in his speech pointed out saying, he made it sound like we are less patriotic. We have never failed this nation. So DMK was the first party which took out a rally at the Chief Minister, Mr. M.K. Stalin, to take out a rally in support of our defense forces. I'd like to bring to the attention of this House that when you call for an all-party leaders meeting, the leaders from the opposition parties came to the meeting and said that we stand with you. I don't think even the Congress people remember Jawaharlal Nehru ji as much as you do. But I should thank you for that. Because of you, so many young people in Tamil Nadu have gone back to read Periyar and Ambedkar. And today, all over the world, young people are finding out and wanting to know more about Jawaharlal Nehru ji, because, you know, a person who had such power to change history, to do everything, and imagine having such kind of power till today, even you, whatever mistakes you commit is because of him. So people are really intrigued by that great leader, that students are going and reading about him. So I think the Congress and the opposition must be grateful to you.
पंडित नेहरू जी की एक स्टेटेड पॉलिसी थी कि भारत को आर्मी का जरूरत ही नहीं है। जनरल लॉकहार्ट के पास बैठते हैं और नेहरू जी बात ये बोलते हैं कि रबिश, टोटल रबिश, नो प्लान्स ऑफ मॉडर्नाइजेशन ऑफ आर्मी इज रिक्वायर्ड, इंडिया का पॉलिसी इज अहिंसा, वी डोंट नीड द आर्मी, पुलिस विल डू इट्स जॉब। ये नेहरू जी की सरकार की स्टेटेड पॉलिसी थी। And this did not remain isolated in 1947. When A.K. Anthony ji was the defense minister, it was the stated policy. The country remembers how the leader of the opposition, in an extremely irresponsible fashion, tried to derail the acquisition of the all-important Rafale, and they also tried to derail the acquisition of Tejas into the armed forces. If it was not for our defense minister Manohar Parrikar, today LCA Tejas would not have been a reality in this country. They had tried to kill all of these made in India defense projects. In just 10 years of the UPA government, between 2004 and 2014, more than 8,000 civilians were killed because of terrorist attacks in this country. 8,000 terrorist civilians were killed. By deliberately weakening the institutions of this country, that led to 8,000 innocent civilians killed because of terrorist attacks. And this was also the position in Kashmir. Every Friday there were stole painters. Every Friday there was a plan for the next calendar of terrorist attack. It was only after Amit Shah ji introduced the Constitution Amendment Bill to remove Article 370 that has seen a great decline of terrorist attacks in Jammu Kashmir. It happened in our government, apne sarkar ki netritw. But what has been the consistent policy of Congress party towards terrorism? Madam, एक ही उदाहरण देना चाहता हूं। 2004 में जब इनकी सरकार सत्ता में आई, what was the first step that they do? It was to repeal the POTA Act. 2001 पार्लियामेंट अटैक के बाद भारतीय जनता पार्टी के नेतृत्व वाली एनडीए सरकार अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी के नेतृत्व में देश को सुदृढ़ बनाने के लिए, टेररिज्म को खत्म करने के लिए, फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम इन दिस कंट्री वी इंट्रोड्यूस अ लेजिस्लेटिव फ्रेमवर्क। मैडम, आप भी कांग्रेस पार्टी से आते हैं। आई वॉन्ट टू रिमाइंड यू, मैडम, व्हेन राजीव गांधी, हाँ मैडम, व्हेन राजीव गांधी का ट्रायल चल रहा था, राजीव गांधी जी का ट्रायल चल रहा था, जब राजीव गांधी जी की डेथ की, टेररिस्ट से हुई डेथ की ट्रायल चल रहा था, ट्रायल कोर्ट सेड we do not have exclusive terror legislations to prosecute. This was the state of affairs of this country. There is a very interesting speech of Arun Shourie ji. Madam, I'll conclude in 3 minutes. There is a very interesting speech of Arun Shourie ji. आजकल अरुण शौरी जी का कई सारे स्टेटमेंट्स इन लोगों ने कोट कर रहे हैं। अरुण शौरी जी ने बताया था जब उन्होंने राज्यसभा में बात कर रहे थे, that the government should stop running to mummy. Mummy he meant was the United States. And I want to remind again today that the Congress party, especially under its present leadership, should stop running to mummy, because mummy tak jana, mummy pe nirbhar hona is party ke netaon ka, is party ke pure parampara ban gaya hai. This is a country that will stand on its own feet and respond in its own right. And all of what is today known as Pak-occupied Kashmir was in our control. But it was this Congress party and its leadership of that time that surrendered all of Pak-occupied Kashmir. What military achievement we had gained, we squandered on the diplomatic table. 1965 में भी वही हुई, 1971 में भी वही हुई. But the difference this time is the military achievement that we achieved in Operation Sindoor was crystallized and strengthened through our diplomatic onslaught that was led by the multi-party delegations and effectively led by the Prime Minister and the External Affairs Minister. मैं आपको एक उदाहरण देना चाहता हूं. Madam, it was this deliberate ploy of weakening this country from within, by deliberately weakening the institutions of this country, that led to 8,000 innocent civilians killed because of terrorist attacks. And this was also the position in Kashmir. Every Friday there were stole painters. Every Friday there was a plan for the next calendar of terrorist attacks. It was only after Amit Shah ji introduced the Constitution Amendment Bill to remove Article 370 that has seen a great decline of terrorist attacks in Jammu Kashmir. It happened in our government, apne sarkar ki netruttva.